During post-Mauryan period, there were caves. There were two types of caves. One is Chaitya, that is prayer hall for monks, and other one is Vihara. It was shelter for monks, but only in monsoon season. Post-Mauryan stupa. Another notable feature was increase in number of chhatris. In Mauryan period, it was only of 4 chhatris, but here it increased in odd numbers. What it highlights? It highlights the importance of odd date in Buddhism. The other most important personality of Buddhism was they also started to place image of Buddha in the form of Manushi Buddha. Where it was placed in premise of stupa. What it means? It means Buddha was like the human, that is normal human, but with intellectual insight. In this period, they added one more production path at the level of Medi. What it represented? It represented Mahayana path of Buddhism, whereas lower production path indicated the Hinayan path of Buddhism. Post-Mauryan cultures.